The March 2026 Pixel Drop is out now, and older Pixels such as my Pixel 7 receive some new features with this update. Updates discussed in this video are rolling out to all Google Pixel 6 and newer models. First up is the ability, as Google calls it, to generate custom icons for your Pixel's home screen. So within the Pixel Launcher customization settings, you can now choose between the default app icons, minimal icons, and now this new Create option. What this Create mode is that you have 5 preset icon styles to choose from, and using generative AI, icons are generated in that selected style for all your app icons on your home screen. Some of the options, like Easel for example, allow you to set additional options like color. Others, like this Cookies style, do not let you to customize further. Though this feature does add more customization to the default Pixel Launcher for app icons and ensures all your apps do get a custom icon, I honestly find it quite limited, and I wish Google would just give me the option to use custom icon packs like most third-party launchers do. The ability to truly customize icons is why I personally use a third-party launcher and not the Pixel Launcher on my Pixel. I specifically use this one named Lawnchair, and they're not a sponsor or anything, I just like this one. It's free and open source, and styles itself to look very similar to the Pixel Launcher, but with much more customization. Lawnchair lets me use custom icon packs. I use Lawnchair's own Lawn Icons icon pack, change the label of an app, change the icon size. In summary, truly customize the icons on my home screen. If you do use the default Pixel Launcher on your Pixel though, there is another new customization feature for you. The At a Glance widget, the thing at the top with the weather and date and other info, can now be hidden from the home screen. So now if you'd prefer to put app icons or your own custom widget up, you can. Press and hold on the At a Glance widget, tap Settings, and toggle off Show on Home Screen. The third update of this Pixel Drop for older phones is the song recognition feature called Now Playing, now has its own app. I had to update the Now Playing app manually from the Play Store to get this to work, but in summary, the Now Playing feature, which shows you what song is playing around you, now has a dedicated app that you can open to have it detect what song is currently playing and view your history of songs recognized. And you can also add the Now Playing app as a tile in Quick Settings for quick access. Otherwise, the Now Playing song recognition feature works like before, showing what song is playing around you on your lock screen. Tap it to open the app. The flashlight feature of the Pixel now lets you control the strength of the flashlight. To do so, press and hold on the flashlight toggle in Quick Settings, and now you can swipe up and down to increase or decrease the brightness or strength of the flashlight. If you use 3-button navigation mode on your Pixel, you can now reverse the button order. Traditionally, Android had the order from left to right being the back button, home button, and recent apps. You can now reverse the order with recent apps on the left and the back button on the right. And that's what's new for older Pixel phones in the March 2026 Pixel Drop. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.